Hold it right there, you asshole. I don't understand. What is going on?
You won't understand. Don't even deny it because Chief did not.
I still don't get it.
So you're now rolling with my man, CUBANA dollars. Huh?
Oh, that. It's not my fault. Really finds me attractive.
Oh my God.
He finds you attractive.
Go pick your rags and leave my house. You after one.
After one?
Yes, that's what you are.
It's quite shameful if that's the only insult you can render. Yes, after one. But I'm hot. I'm sexy, I'm classy, I'm getting it. I'm attractive. If you think it's that easy, drop one and see if you can even attract your security man. No way, darling. And I will go in there, pick my rags, just as you've said.
So you think you're getting it?
Of course. But don't forget, now me, the high, but now you the zuzu.
Stella! This is why help is gone. No one helps anybody anymore. People don't render help anymore.
But we'll see.